Hello, so today I'm going to try an old family recipe that's one of my favourites growing up is pea and ham soup, but with a little bit of a twist today because I have some extra veggies to use up. Let's see how nice it tastes. So here I'm just starting with 3 small onions. I just had them to use up and I thought, yep, they'll do. Today I actually need to go do grocery shopping, which is another reason it's a good idea to have something cooked in the slow cooker today. I only need to roughly chop the garlic because it'll all mush up anyway once it's cooking for a few hours. And I peeled and chopped about 5 carrots. They're probably equivalent to 3 large carrots because once again I was just using up what I had. You can cut your veggies however you want them, really, it's your choice. I'm just choosing to do them quite small today because I don't mind if they disintegrate a fair bit. And this is where the twist comes in a bit. I actually had 2 parsnips in the fridge that needed to be used, and I thought, yeah, parsnips good in soup. And a couple of sticks of celery. Now another little twist is I added some potato. I don't usually put potato in my pea and ham. I know my mum does. But I thought, yeah, why not? Give it some thickness. So, usually you'd make this with ham hocks, but I have lots of frozen ham that I needed to use up. So we've got some ham, some celery, some onions and garlic, some carrots and parsnip. I usually wouldn't put parsnip in because parsnip, oh, well, I don't usually put in, but I do put carrots in. And I don't usually put potato in either, but that's going in. Put some vegeta in, like a little rounded dessert spoon. And I only used half a bag of split peas, so I thought that would be enough because it was a big bag. Just a weeny bit more. And then we shall just mix that through a little bit. I think that'll be enough water. If not, we can always add more. And then put the lid on, and then we'll turn that on to high. Leave that on for about 4 hours and see how it goes from there. So we thought a nice crusty loaf of bread would go well with our soup tonight. Picked one up from Coles. Now when I come home, I actually had to blend up the soup with like an immersion blender, a stick blender. And I made it nice and smooth. I didn't have to, but it's the better consistency. 2, 3, 4, 5 for the freezer, which is for us for a quick meal, but also the kids often come and raid the freezer if they want something.